Hello everyone, this is Ritu Saharan. Today I am discussing about the business to whom I am promoting. That is the business of lighting LED lights. The business is named as George Business of Lightning that I am promoting, and I want to sell my all the products all over the world. Let's talk about the business, the products and the services that they provide. Well, it is a Canadian based business. Let's talk about the benefits. The benefits of our business is that the LED lights that we are selling are the energy efficient, these are eco-friendly, they there is reduced cost of lighting, and most obviously the most profitable for the customers is there is no maintenance of the costs. Let's talk about the first benefit that we are giving to the customers, that is the energy efficiency. LED that we are producing has an estimated energy efficiency of about 80 to 90%. um, LEDs emit light from a solid state diode rather than a vacuum or a gas, allowing more energy to turn into visible light instead of heat. So, in short, we can get a lot amount of energy or the lightning that we can see. It doesn't produce any heat, so the visible light is more as compared to other LEDs. Let's moving further to the environmentals. These are not harmful to our environment, so that this doesn't produce any gas, or they take less energy for the power. Let's talk about the cost. The cost is very not too much. Let's take an example of an university. Like if you want to apply the LED lights to the university, it will cost only $19,000 a month. Implementation is not that much costly as compared to take off the fluorescent bulbs, so they take so much times to implement them. Let's talk about the LED lightning. Like we are providing LED bulbs, LED street light, LED lamps, LED floodlights, emergency lights, tube lights, light fixer, LED light fixer. Let's talk about the, if I want to sell this bulbs into Mexico, so what would I do? I will the promotion through the digitalization. Like I will advertise it through the digital media, and uh, definitely the cost would be the less for them, so it would be my main strategy to popular my product into the Mexico. Like to make it comfortable with their culture, I can give the names according to their culture, or the names to whom they are aware, the Mexican people. The trade payment definitely would be the consignment trade payment. The reason behind this, that we do not say we do not need to give money to the consignor, so we can save that money, and it would be like when the stock will be finished over there, we can just give them that product, so they do not need to keep any inventory. So all these are my for my business, that is for the LED lights. Thank you very much.